Welcome to Slide Egg. Let's talk about how to use the selection pane in PowerPoint. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide you want to work on. Now, selecting specific elements like images, text, or shapes can sometimes be tricky. That's where the selection pane comes in. First, choose any image or element on your slide. Then, go to the Picture Format tab and click on Selection Pane. Once you do that, a panel will open on the right side of your screen, showing all the elements on your slide as a list of layers. Here's the cool part. If you want to stop an element from moving, simply click on the lock icon next to it. Want to temporarily hide something? Just click the eye icon, and it'll disappear from the slide without deleting it. You can also rename elements in the panel to keep everything organized, making it much easier to work on your presentation. Now, let's say you're working with shapes. Select all the shapes on your slide and align them perfectly by choosing middle and center. Need to adjust the size of the shapes? Go ahead and resize them. And if one shape is behind another, you can use the selection pane to pick it directly without messing with the others. You can even change the color or move shapes around. For example, move one shape to the right and change its color. Then take another shape, move it to the left, and apply a different color. If you select another shape, you can move it up, down, or sideways and adjust its color too. Want to hide some shapes? Just click on the eye icon to hide individual ones or choose Hide All to hide everything. When you're ready, click Show All to bring them back. The selection pane is a simple but powerful tool that makes editing and organizing your slides so much easier. And that's it. You now know how to use the selection pane in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Slide Egg for more tutorials.